Welcome to the product demonstration of dry hand washing machine by fog disinfection to save water using Raspberry Pi. In this product we are using push buttons, LCD display, Raspberry Pi 0W, an Arduino Nano, two relays and one buzzer. Here we can see the buzzer, and also one rectifier and transformer and another rectifier. And also using in this box so here we can see the two machines for the hand wash, and one is for the UV light and ultrasonic sensor. So the ultrasonic sensor and the process will be done by this Raspberry Pi, and the relay controllings of this UV light and machines will be controlled by this Arduino Nano. So this Raspberry Pi and Arduino will be connected in a serial. So this Raspberry Pi and Arduino Nano will be control the signals through serial. So it will use serial protocol. Now we will on the power supply. So we are using this power cable. It takes 230 volts of power supply. That power supply will be given to this rectifier. Through rectifier, so here we can see through this power we are parallel connected to this step down transformer. So it is also taking 230 volts of power supply through this power cable. So one supply is going for this rectifier, another supply is going this rectifier through this transformer, step down transformer. And parallelly connected to this relays also. So this AC power supply is going step down transformer, rectifier and this relays. So now I am on the power supply. So here we can see first rectifier, it will convert AC to DC of 5 volts. That 5 volts will be utilized by this wash machines. And also another transformer taking 230 power supply from this board, and it will step down up to 12 volts. That 12 volts will be given to this rectifier. So this rectifier converts AC to DC up to 12 volts, and here we can see voltage regulator 7805. It takes 12 volts of DC and it will step down up to 5 volts. That 5 volts will be given this line. So this 5 volts will be utilized by this push buttons, LCD display and Raspberry Pi Nano and relays, and also buzzer is connected to this board also. So it will take some time to initialize this Raspberry Pi. So here we can see in the display, so it is showing that distance of the ultrasonic sensor and time. We can see the time. So we can increase or decrease the wash time using these push buttons. First one is a 5 seconds and second one is a 10 seconds. So we can see, and third one is a 15 seconds and fourth one is for the 20 seconds. So now I am pressing the 5 seconds. I am placing my hands here. So the system is in on. So here we can see fog is producing here, and the UV light is also in on position. So if I remove my hand from this machine, then the time will be not counted. Now it is 5 seconds. So we can see time seconds also. If it is completed 5, then it will be off automatically. And if I want to increase the time, then so if I remove my hand, then it will be not count. If I place my hand, then only it will count. If I remove my hand, then automatically it will give a buzzer alert. Now it is stop. So based on our hand clean, so we can increase or decrease the time duration through these push buttons. In this way this product will be works. Thanks for the watching.